Hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. So Terra Luna continues to hover around here above the $88 level. As we said before, I did not think that this here would be a sustainable breakout to the upside, and that seems to be become confirmed now, given the and showing the weakness in the chart at the moment. So as I said, my view is that we are going to get into this green target area down here, which is located between $52 and 73. I gave you that target area even before we moved up here, and we then reached that target area. We then came down. I told you that I think we are not there yet. I think we are going to go a little bit lower. There is a chance it could have turned around here because it already reached the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, but really with the highest likelihood we should expect lower prices. And I think this is going to play out again, given the weakness in the chart here. As you can see, we moved up, we started to roll over, we retested support and made a lower high. Now made even a slightly lower low. Not sustainable yet, because only the wicks went a little bit lower, but it pretty much seems to be playing out that we have not yet seen, and we are not seeing a sustainable move to the upside. So as I said in the last video, there was a good chance that the wave, so basically in this larger wave B that you can see here, what you would expect is a wave A wave B, and that could be exactly these two waves, A, B, and the wave C would still be coming, only though as soon as we break above these resistance levels here. Now, as you can see, Terra Luna has not managed to do so. So these are obviously the levels that need to be broken to see a higher price, and personally I wouldn't do anything until these levels get broken, because this is just incredible resistance. We had resistance here on the 10th of April, we had resistance here on the 20th, here on the 21st, here on the 22nd again, and now here on the 26th. So until that is broken, we are not going to see that higher prices, and the primary expectation is anyway that we're going to reach this green target area before we are going to see a turnaround and a more sustainable move up to that wave 3 here, which should take us all the way up to around $180 at a minimum. And that depends a little bit on how low the wave 2 will actually go. So currently going according to plan, we are going to reach this area, in my opinion, in the end, similar to Avalanche, which has reached this target area already. I think it will then be a question of, do we actually hold that area, or are we going to go that low in this target area that there's a risk to invalidate this scenario, and we're actually going to see the alternative, which would be a price around the $20 to $30 mark, which I can't see at the moment, but never say never. So at the moment, therefore, this is the primary expectation, that we are going to go into the green target area. And yes, there is a chance for a higher wave B, but to do so, it certainly first would need to break above the wave A level. As long as that is not happening, we're not seeing here any breakout. And given the situation that we've made here, only a lower high and now even a lower low shows the weakness in the chart, and actually shows that I don't think that this is already the breakout, because obviously what could have happened is that, as I said before, that the turnaround could already have taken place here after it came down very, very much, and after it came very close to my target area, hit the 50% retracement level, which is already possible for a turnaround. But for that, it would need to start going, and it's not going. It's going, it's stopping again. It's going, it's stopping, it's coming down to exactly that level, and even making a lower low, which is not bullish, to be honest. This is actually a corrective sign. It's a sign of a correction, that and that should be a sign that we don't need to panic, we don't need to FOMO in here into Terra Luna, and we can wait for lower prices. Now again, if you want to buy in, that's up to you. Personally, I'm still waiting a little bit. I think one of my buy orders actually triggered already for Terra Luna anyway, because I did set it at the 50% Fib retracement. I would need to check actually. But again, anybody who wants to see my buy and sell orders, you can do that when you join the channel membership. I do have them on Discord. So still, as I said, still waiting for those lower levels, and this does not really look like a sustainable breakout in a wave 3 yet, which should take us, as I said, to at least $180. Again, not in a straight line, but you should see that price driving and you should see that uptrend going. So at the moment, I still think it's possible to break above $98, $99, but I would not necessarily see that as happening as a guaranteed breakout. Of course, nothing is guaranteed anyway in these markets, so it's all about probabilities. Quite glad anyway that this played out sort of in a counter reaction, that we waited for here anyway before coming into the green area, because that is what you need to see, an A, B, C, and only then that correction in that higher degree wave 2 here can be finished. If you go down straight away without a counter reaction, normally not that reliable then, but this seems to be playing out nicely. Yes, we can go up a little bit more, but you would go against the higher level trend, because you are then only going high here in a correction before you come down in that wave 2. Currently in a wave 2, the trend is still down, because a wave B is only correcting that impulse of the wave A. So overall, still looking good here for Terra Luna, still looking good. On the 4-hour chart, pretty much sideways movement here on the MACD. You can't really draw a lot of conclusions from that. RSI also nothing exciting, in line with the price moving sideways. Let's take a look what the daily chart says. And here also sideways, we might even get now a bearish crossover on the MACD. Now again, that could fuel a sell-off into the green target area, and the RSI also sideways, rather bearish at the moment, below 50. So it is at the moment a time where we just have to wait. We are not in the green target area yet, and we are currently in a range here between $88 and $98, and therefore personally I would just wait for a breakout either way before making a decision. And that is currently my view on Terra Luna. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.